Zomato, well, we actually have a new entrant here. We don't have a name from the viewer, but he says that I'm new to the stock market. Which is the best now? Okay, I believe his name is Tarun, in fact. And he wants to know, is it a right time to buy Zomato? It's currently at 270. I'm going to take a technical view on this one because, plenty has been said about the fundamentals of the company. Kush, your view on Zomato at this moment?
Well, it depends on the time horizon. From a medium-term perspective, fairly bullish. From a near-term perspective, the stock has actually, we all know, run up quite a bit. It's seeing a bit of a profit booking, or would rather call it consolidation. So how you could go about it is, purchase some of it partially, about 20%, maybe 50% of it right now, because the stock is still seeing that fall and hasn't really stemmed it. It could perhaps hold around the 250, 260 zone, which is a good support zone for this one. But you wouldn't want to miss out on an opportunity if the stock does turn around from here. So how do you go about it is that you buy 50% right now. The rest of it, if it does kind of approach the 250 mark, is when you go ahead and accumulate some more. Medium term perspective, fairly bullish. Near term consolidation cannot be ruled out.
Yeah. All right, the next question is from Ankush, and the query is on CDSL. Now, he's bought 30 CDSL share for 1490 a piece, and he wants to understand from a shorter term perspective, from 2 months to be specific, as to what is the strategy that one needs to adopt with respect to CDSL shares. So, since it's 2 months, Kush, I'll stick with you for this one. What should Ankush do?
CDSL can be bought at current levels. Good support zone at 1480 mark. So that's where your stop loss comes in. Fairly volatile, so just be a little cautious on that front. But on the whole, if you see the trajectory is pointing upwards, and if you see most of the stocks in this space, in the financial services space, have actually done rather well. So this stock too has done well, could continue to do well. As I said, 1480 is your stop loss. On the upside, you're looking at targets of 1660, and once that is taken out, at 1750 as well. So from a near term to a medium term perspective, CDSL is a buy.
From there on, we move on and talk about Ircon International. That's the next question coming in from Murthy from Telangana. He wants the long-term view on Ircon. And, the question is, can I invest at the current market price? And what is the potential target in the long term? Ashish, this one is for you. Ircon International.
Actually, we have seen a lot of retail investors got stuck up in PSU and railway kind of stocks, which was from, again, PSU pack. And we have seen that almost now, whenever these stocks try to gain or to gain momentum, some selling comes because a lot of people are stuck up. So in my view, this is not maybe the still right time, because if you see last 6 months, the stock has not gone anywhere. And other sectors are doing much better compared to railway pack and particularly PSU railway sector stocks. So my suggestion is still avoid Aircon kind of a stock.